And I think from day one you have to have that picture in your mind of what that product, and for me, like a visual person, I always like to get a rendering of the finished product and put it up on the walls of the workshop and everywhere you can, so guys that are working on a dirty lump of steel don't think about it as that.
The younger generation now, the guys we got working for us now, they're superb. Couldn't knock them in one way. They're highly educated. They want to do well.
Yeah, I saw this difference between the old generation and new generation, because I did work in Croatia already something like 10 years ago, and was deeply different because the old mentality was far more evident. So now the process is becoming more evident with the young people that we have around.
I guess for me, when I first came here, and I only came for a day initially, and I walked around the boat with Grant and Don, and I just looked at the workmanship, and I got quite excited about it because, I don't think there's any question that the steel work and those black trades, as they call them, the guys are very good at. But also some of the systems were just starting to go in, and systems are something that I've been my thing for forever, and just being done very well and neat and tidy and straight and square, and joins are done properly. So for me, I think the skills are there.